Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco, the 107-FD2. Start the disassembly by taking off the bottom panel. Then remove the right grab handle by taking out the two T30 Torx screws. Then, by squeezing both sides of the glove box, lower and remove the glove box. Unclip the top panel from the top of the dash. Pop the 6 screw covers down from the dash. Remove the 6 7mm screws from under the screw covers. Unclip the top right grille from the right side of the dash. Remove the two 8mm bolts from within the glove box. Then, remove the screw within the top dash cavity. Then, unclip the top left grille from the left side of the dash. Pop the panel below the steering wheel off and let it hang. Remove the 7mm screw from the side of the climate control panel. Then remove and unclip the climate control panel and radio controls and remove from the vehicle. Remove the one 7mm screw that's located in the middle from the start-stop panel and remove the whole panel. Locate and remove the 7mm screw from the right side of the top grille panel. Then remove the 7mm screw from the left side of the top grille panel. Afterwards, remove the whole top panel. Remove the 5 7mm bolts under the panel on the right side, plus the one T30 Torx screw from the right side. Then, remove the entire panel, including the passenger side airbag. After, remove the 4 screws from the screen and disconnect the screen. Then, take out the chassis by removing the 4 screws and unplugging the wires and disconnecting the antenna adapter and the 2 connectors. Remove the module by removing the 3 screws, then disconnecting all the cables. Once the module has been removed, remove the cover from the back of the module and replace it with the new bracket and place it in its new location below where the factory chassis was. After assembling the bracket to the module, plug the module in before you place it back into the dash where the factory radio chassis was. Mount the completed module down below where the factory chassis used to be. Cut the tab in the back where it holds the harness for clearance for the radio chassis to go into the dash. Lastly, mount the screen into place. Then, reassemble the dash in the reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.